how to add music to YouTube Shorts. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open YouTube on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now, tap on your profile icon on the top right of your screen, and in the menu that appears, tap on the YouTube Studio option you see there. Further, from the left side of your screen, tap on the content option you see there and then select the shorts option. Further, go ahead and tap on the video that you want to add music in and then tap on the details option or the pen-like icon you see there. Further, from the left side toolbar again, select the editor option you see there, and now you will see the option for audio. Tap on that, and now you will be shown with various audios from YouTube. So go ahead and search or filter from the library and tap on the plus icon right beside the video that you want to add as music. Now, once you tap on the plus icon, as you can see, the music has been sent to the timeline. So go ahead and make any changes such as dragging and selecting a certain portion of the music. Once you're done making the changes, tap on the save option you see there. And with this, the changes that you made will be saved. So this is how you can add music to YouTube Shorts on PC. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.